Well, the share market had a pretty steep fall these past couple of days, apparently due to concerns things were getting overvalued, especially in the tech sector and anything remotely linked with AI. But today, those concerns seem to have vanished, with the ASX and All Ords rising slightly by 0.3%, which is nothing when you compare it to Wall Street and Asian markets, which rebounded even more sharply from their sell-offs earlier this week. Back home, gold stocks drove today's gains, along with mining giants like Rio Tinto. NAB, meanwhile, was marked down quite a bit after the bank announced its full-year statutory profit dropped 3% to about $6.8 billion, partly because of a rise in bad debts. But James Hardie had the worst day by far. Its share price plunged by another 12.7%, and it comes after last week's humiliating episode, where shareholders overwhelmingly decided to dump the company's chairman and 2 directors because of its poor financial performance lately. In commodities, oil and iron ore fell while gold prices bounced back as the US government shutdown dragged on to day 36, making it officially the longest one in American history. And the Aussie dollar is buying just over 65 US cents. Now finally, some of Donald Trump's tariffs appear to be on shaky ground, according to betting markets, which reckon there's a pretty high chance the US Supreme Court will strike them down, especially after the court's conservative judges expressed skepticism about his use of emergency powers to impose these tariffs on other countries' goods. And if they do find against the Trump administration, that's more than $90 billion it would have to refund, which is going to hurt. And that's finance.